I mean, first off, there's not much you can do to talk about curtains. Well, at least that's what I would have thought if it was like 2021 or 2024. But I'm not gonna lie, they are pretty useful and pretty cool too. Like not just um, the motorized aspect of it. Yeah, it's really good at that, blocking out sunlight. But at the same time, it's just like it feels. I don't know, like once you get used to stuff like this, it just becomes one of those things where it's like, okay, like not that I never thought I needed it, but it's like once you get like accustomed to just pressing a button, then your current comes on. It's like, oh, just the little bit of laziness that I needed has just been amplified because of the fact that it is motorized. It does need to be charged or plugged in, connected regardless. Now they do a really good job of giving you a long wire because it's curtains. How high are you going to be hanging it up to on your wall? It still has to be plugged into an outlet, right? So nice, no complaints there. The button's really small. Like if you, like, God forbid, ever happen to lose the remote, the button is like, bro, you need like a little pencil to like. Do they have a choice? No, it's because like how much space can you put up on like a curtain rod, essentially. The battery life also lasted like longer than I expected it to last. Like it lasted a long time, and considering, well, I'm not like spamming like the controls here and there. The first day is like pretty cool just to see like, oh my god, here's what it does. But I'm not really like spamming the controls like as much as I can. But even then, like I do find that even if you leave it plug in, which I at this point I just kind of do, just why not? The battery life is still good enough and lasts a good long time where you don't like have to constantly be plugging it in. You can leave it plugged in if you want to. I just do that. Just, yeah, it's that's kind of too lazy just to plug it at this point. But if you do unplug it, as long as it has like ample amount of charge, it's gonna be good enough to still last. Now, I've mentioned the remote a lot as well. Now this thing's handy. You can also use the app. I just honestly prefer having the remote, just to kind of reach for it. I've never been a fan of like having my phone as remotes for anything, like a TV. That's my phone. I'm not like, but yeah, it's not really like anything complex. The controls are pretty basic. Just pretty much can control the tempo and whether you want the current to come up, down, or pause. And it honestly, simple is as simple as. There's no need to complicate anything. No need to add like any like whatever. That's just fine. That's it. It's not that extra is always the best, right? In this situation, it doesn't have to be. It's just fine, just the way it is. The bottom line of the curtain: how easy is it to get it set up? And honestly, I thought it was gonna be much harder than it was. I mean, again, it's curtains, right? But the fact that it's motorized curtains, I thought maybe there's gonna be other stuff that you have to put in there, like some safety pins or something. I don't know. Like I was just assuming the worst. But honestly, the setup process, as you see, it was just pretty. It was pretty straightforward, honestly. It wasn't like anything complicated. It was pretty much just like putting in a normal curtain and a normal-ish curtain rod, depending on what type of curtain rods you've installed yourself. It's pretty much the same thing. So even the setup process is pretty easy. It just makes it like something really cool and useful that I actually do like. It's pretty like the fancy fancy looking when you just, for no reason, you just pause and like, I'm gonna command my, like, the way technologies move, man. Like at this point, like what else is gonna be motorized? Like doors and I don't know, like bed sheets. It's like, what? I've already reviewed the heated blanket, so it's like this is. Anyways, something's gonna happen where everything's gonna be motorized. Humans are gonna be motorized, but yeah, it's very useful for different aspects. If you're just lazy, maybe. Or if you want as least sunlight as possible, then yes. But my personal opinion, definitely handy for me. It doesn't mean it's going to be handy for everybody else, but that's just my opinion. If you guys wanted to get yourself one of the curtains, Do they have a bunch of others on their website that you can choose from? Let me know what you guys decide on, and I'll catch you in the next one.